All right, welcome to the video. Today, I'm so excited to show you how to create a black and white line drawing for like a coloring book. So I know a lot of people struggle with getting the color removed in Midjourney, and we just want a line drawing of something. And so I've got a prompt already set up here just to save some time. And so I'm going to show you how to do this so you can do it. It's super easy. And we're going to create a lot of characters doing some things. But first, what we need to do is to get the original prompt going. So let's review real quick. So we want to do a bunny wearing a funny costume. We're using the word kawaii, K-A-W-A-I-I, which makes that real cute, big-eyed kind of style drawing. The really great prompt to use is adult coloring book style. We want it to be highly detailed, a monochrome line drawing, minimalist, black and white illustration, thick line contour drawing. That's really important because that gives us that coloring book style, bold black lines, and then because we need some interest, delicate stippling and cross hatching shading. That's a really great prompt. And then we want flat white background because we don't want any color. We're using a chaos of 5, which is your variety setting, and you can find that right here, okay? And if you go too far over, it tends to really give you lots of craziness. I like to keep it really low at 5. That seems to work the best for me. And we're doing AR 3 to 4, which is this vertical rectangle style, which is kind of like a coloring book page style, right? And we're just keeping the stylize at 200. And because I'm going to create a lot of stuff at once, I'm going to do repeat 4, which is just --R space 4. Now, I'm going to hit go. And what this is going to do is this is going to create 16 images of the bunny character. And whichever one of these styles we like the best, we're going to do other animals just like it. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So you can see we got a really good results. Let's just scroll through and see which of these do we like the best. That's more realistic. That's kind of interesting there. I like that one a lot. So which of these do you like? They all have a different kind of personality and flavor to them. I saw one that I really liked. Where did it go? That one. So let's do other animals just like this one, right? But first, I'm just going to hit very subtle just because I want to see some other designs that are similar to this. But we're going to use the same prompt and we're going to click image, and then that's going to load the image here. Now, what we want to do is we want to select our character reference, which is this little thumbnail right here, hold the shift key down, and also select the style reference. So you've got the little icons that look like a person and a paperclip. This is going to help create other images just like this one. And instead of a bunny, let's use a, kitten. In fact, let's not just use kitten. Let's do this. Let's do kitten, puppy, and we'll do, chipmunk. Okay, so this is going to give us 3, one of each of these. And then I'm also going to do repeat 2 just because I want to see what else I can get. So I'm going to hit go, and then that's going to be creating all of those for me, right? So let's look at our variation. So remember, we asked it to do very subtle. These are the 4 different ones it made. I really like that. Can you imagine coloring that in with some markers or something? I think that's going to look really cool. And we're starting to get our new images. So this is the kitten. See how it's the same style, same clothes, same kind of pose. And here's our puppy. And then our last one's going to be our chipmunk, right? So really like how these turned out. It's not that difficult. So anyway, you can see it's really easy to create these images. So give it a shot. It's pretty easy. I think you can do it. Just play around. Of course, it doesn't have to be bunnies and chipmunks and kittens, right? You can do anything you want. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. We'd love it if you would consider subscribing to the Midjourney Experience newsletter. It's only $12 a month, comes to your inbox every single week with tips and tricks just like this. Got questions or comments? Drop them in the comments section below. We'd love to help you out. Take care. See ya.